All right, guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm here with my good pal, Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company. How you doing today, man? Yeah, man, it's really cool to be here. I can't thank you enough for having me. I'm having a great time. That's good, that's good. Have you been very busy lately, or what you got coming up? Anything really cool, any new videos coming out? Yeah, we've got a really cool wood whistle video coming up that we're getting into. It's an homage to my pops, and it's a quick one, but it's really cool. You'll enjoy it. So you'd say that was kind of a fun, playful video that you're doing. I like that. Okay, well, anything that we should be looking forward to, or? Yeah, there's a couple cool ones. I think we're gonna do a really cool bedside table and something a little different. So yeah, there's some cool stuff coming up. That's great. Well, we're super stoked to have you here, man. We can't thank you enough. So guys, look for his videos. He's coming out real soon. He's an up-and-comer star in this whole thing. So stick around. I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company with Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company.